Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be looking at the 9th of September 2024. So this is a Monday, and during the weekend, I was doing some back testing, and after doing the back testing and also the positive trade on last Thursday, I had an amazing feeling this weekend. I could not wait for the week to get started. I was actually hoping and praying for the weekend to be over and to start trading on Monday morning. I was talking and telling my younger one about this, and this is what he said. He said, bro, this is how you know that you're doing what you were meant to do and what you love. If you're excited for Monday, that is exactly when you know that you're in the right place, doing the right thing. And he was right. He was absolutely right, because 10 months ago, I was working in a fintech company in Canada. I was absolutely hating every Monday that went. I did not want my weekends to end. Every Sunday was a pain because I knew the next day was Monday and I had to go back to work. So right now I'm in a much better place, doing what I like to do, what I love to do. So in this video, we'll go through the couple of trades that I took and the emotions that came with the trade, the pluses, the minus and whatnot. So let's get into it. So I woke up at 4:30 and was looking at the charts in the morning, and this is what I saw at Japanese yen. So in the previous London session, there was a news that came up, and you could see the huge wicks in these candles. And also at 8:30 p.m. IST, there was another news that came out, and the market was volatile the night before. But during the overnight session, the price kept on falling and went into the Tokyo session. My thought process was, if the price takes these lows, I could get into a trade. And this is the 5 minutes, so this is what I got to see in the 5 minutes. Price kept on falling and price takes the previous lows right here. So I dropped down to 1 minute, and unfortunately I don't have the 1 minute chart right now. So we'll have to look at the screenshot that I have of the 1 minute. The 1 minute gave a divergence right here, higher low, formed an indicator, and price made lower low, which I thought was a confirmation. I got it on the next green Heikin-Ashi candle, and price went up for a couple of candles and then dropped to take my SL. So the lessons from this one was simple. The price did not take any session highs or lows, which is one of my main confluences that I have. The price taking a small structure in the middle of the session doesn't mean much when it comes to it. So this is the reason why I think it did not work out, because the price did not take either the New York high or the New York low. The price did take a small structure right here, but it did not matter. Price kept on going down, like you see here, and no matter where the SL would have been, even if I would have taken in 5 minutes, you see here, if I taken the trade here, SL would be here, and price would have gone up a little bit and then boom, gone. So I should be waiting for the price to either take the session high or the session low, which is a good lesson to learn. So in this trade, I only risked 0.1% of the account, which was $100. Let's look at the next trade, which was an NG in the afternoon. So NG was doing exactly what we need. Like you see here, NG was making a channel during Tokyo session. So it was going sideways during the Tokyo session. And our conferences are, once NG makes a sideways movement like this, we want the price to take the low of the Tokyo session in London and then go take the high of the Tokyo session. And once it does, we take an entry short in this case and ride it back down to the low. So this is what we'll be looking for. And in this trade, it did exactly that we wanted it to do. So this is what I saw at 3:45 p.m. IST. So the price took Tokyo low and then waited for the green Heikin-Ashi candle to form. As soon as it did, went into the trade right here and waited for the trade to go up. But I forgot the fact that I only take trades on the second leg, meaning after the first move happens, which is after the price takes Tokyo low, it goes up to take Tokyo high, and we take the entry on the second move, which is the short trade in this example. So price did go the way we wanted it to go, but not before taking RSL. It took RSL and then it went up. So the trade should have been this. We should have waited for the second leg to happen, which is, so the first leg is this. Price took the Tokyo low, and then we should have waited for price to go up. And once it did, we should have entered on the first Heikin-Ashi candle. So imagine we did that, we would have got a positive trade exactly how we wanted it to. So the entry would have been right here, SL up here on the candle high, and then TP would have been somewhere around here. So this would have been a perfect trade, like you see. So we missed out on this one. So on this trade, we only risked 0.13%, being $133, and we got another SL for $133. So for the day, we lost $233, and that was it for trading. So after both these losses, the excitement for Monday to start was completely lost. So I'm giving you the raw feelings of the emotions that went through. It sucks, being a full-time trader and only depending on a trading income without having a backup or without having some money saved up for your everyday life. But unfortunately, that is what I did. I quit my corporate job and came back to India to be a full-time trader. And right now I'm learning Forex, but I did not depend on Forex. When I quit my job in the corporate world, I was doing very well in crypto. Crypto was giving me more money than my corporate salary. So I was happy and it was a good decision to quit. But I've heard everyone say that keep 6 months of money in your pockets for your daily expenses before you quit your corporate job. But when you're earning almost double of what you're earning from crypto, it would not matter. That was my thought process behind it. But came a time when crypto stopped giving me money and I had to learn another skill, which I'm doing right now, which is the Forex market. So it is tough. There's no income at this point. It's been a couple of months. It's been going tight and I'm learning Forex for the last 3 months. And today was a punch in the gut, because 2 trades lost after being excited to start the day and the week. But this is how learning happens, right? You have to take your hits, you have to take risks. When I quit and jumped from my corporate world, that is the biggest risk I could take, and taking that risk put me in a position to learn. So now I'm learning Forex, and this is what I have to remember. But at the time, after the trades ended, during the night, it's not easy. Being a trader is not easy. Being a full-time trader is not easy. And if it was easy, everyone would be doing it. This isn't. This should not be. And that is the whole point. We keep going. We keep doing the things that we do. We backtest the strategy and we stick to the strategy no matter what, no matter how many losses. We can make changes, small tweaks here and there to make sure that it works. But we have to keep doing what we're doing. And this movie scene from Rocky, I think Rocky Balboa, I'm not sure about the movie name, you guys. I think you guys know this. This is what Rocky says to his son. The world isn't all sunshine and rainbows. It is a very mean and nasty place. And I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit, it's about how hard you get hit and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. So there's no going back. There's no thinking, am I gonna win? We are gonna win, but it's gonna take its own sweet time. Let it take it. And we'll keep going regardless. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.